I came because of the home buyer seminar they were having. I was interested in buying a home. I'm now at a position where I'm starting to look. Everything is serious. I'm building from the ground up again. Well, I took away that anybody can buy a home now. It doesn't matter how old you are. You can still get a home. You can gain wealth. It's just the knowledge you have to have, and all the different aspects of acquiring a home and maintaining that home, and the people that are involved are very important in this process. To me, it's top quality. They have a team that's all working together. Everybody seems very friendly, willing to help, wealth of knowledge, and willing to help you and guide you to where you need to be to obtain whatever goals you're trying to seek. The most fun part is winning a prize. Well, no, probably the most fun part is just getting to know different people in different aspects, and just knowing that I learned about Albert Einstein, compound interest is the most powerful force in the universe, and I forgot that. So that was just to remind me, what I need to do, how I need to get this done, and how I can build wealth for my family.